Hello everyone, welcome Lead School at Home. We have started sixth chapter in politics of Unit 4 of Class 10 NCERT, that is political parties. In that we have studied in previous video overview of the chapter, then why do we need political parties, then meaning of political parties, functions of political parties, then necessity of political parties. We have also studied how many parties should we have, then popular participation in political parties, then national parties, then state parties. State parties are also called as regional parties. Then we have studied challenges to the political parties, then how can parties be reformed. Some part of this point we have studied in previous videos. Now we will move towards next part in this chapter. Please student, put your textbook in front of you while watching this video and be ready with your pen, pencil and notebook. We have seen how can parties be reformed. Yesterday we have seen some suggestions. Now we will move towards next suggestions. Beside these, many suggestions are often made to reform political parties. Number one suggestion, a law should be made to regulate the internal affairs of political parties. A law should be made to regulate the internal affairs of political parties. What are their problems? What are their necessities? These should be regulated. It should be made compulsory for political parties to maintain a register of its members, to follow its own constitution, to have an independent authority, to act as a judge in case of party disputes, to hold open elections to the highest post. And it also made compulsory for political parties to maintain register of its members, means how many members are there, what their work is there, then in future what they will work, what are their plans, that should be maintain a register, to follow its own constitutions, and a party should have their own constitutions, then to have an independent authority, they have a separate authority to act as a judge in case of party disputes, means any dispute is happen in the party, they should be judge, to hold open elections to the highest post, and party should be make elections to the highest posts. Now second suggestions, it should be made mandatory for political parties to give a minimum number of tickets, about one third, to women candidates. Similarly, there should be a quota for women in the decision making bodies of the party. It should be made compulsory for political parties to give a minimum number of tickets to women candidates, near about one third tickets to give the women candidate in the election. Similarly, there should be a quota for women in the decision making bodies of the party. Now third suggestion, there should be state funding of elections. There should be a state funding of elections. The government should give parties money to support their election expenses. The government helps to the political parties in case of money. This support should be given in kind of petrol, paper, telephone, etc. Or it could be given in cash on the basis of the votes secured by the party in the last election. Or government give them in hand in their cash the basis of the votes secured by the party in the last election. Next, now we have seen three suggestions. These suggestions have not yet been accepted by political parties, but this is a very shocking for us that these suggestions. Still, no one party has accepted. If and when these are accepted, these would be lead to some improvement. Means if the party apply these suggestions in the party, we will see some improvement in that party. But we must be very careful about the legal solution to political parties. But we must be very careful about some legal solutions to political problems. Over regulation of political parties can be counterproductive. Over regulations means if government over regulate of political parties can be counterproductive. Means when we will see some productive if we over regulate to the party. This would force all parties to find ways to cheat the law. But this would be force means if you force all political parties to find a way to cheat the law. Besides, political parties will not agree to pass a law that they do not like. Otherwise, what will be happen? Political parties will not agree to pass a law if they do not like. There are two other ways in which political parties can be reformed. There are two other ways in which political parties can be reformed. One, people can put pressure on political parties. If one person should put pressure on political parties, this can be done through petitions, then publicity and agitations. And this can be done through some petitions, publicity and agitations. These are the modes can be done. Now we will move towards on next part of this chapter. Ordinary citizens, pressure groups and movements and the media can play an important role in this. Means for pressurizing on parties, ordinary citizens, pressure groups and movements and the media can play an important role in this case. If political parties feel that they would be lose public support by not taking up reforms, they would become more serious about reforms. If political parties feel that if they will not reform in their political parties, they will lose public support, and because of this they will take some seriousness in them and they will make some reforms. Two political parties can improve if those who want this join political parties. Two political parties can improve if those who want this join political parties. The quality of democracy depends on the degree of public participation, and quality of democracy it depends upon the degree of public participation. This is difficult to reform politics if ordinary citizens do not take part in it and simply criticize it from the outside, and it will become very difficult to reform to the parties if ordinary citizens do not take part in it and simply criticize it from the outside. Means if he criticizes from inside, it will be happen. The problem of bad politics can be solved by more and better politics. The problem of bad politics can be solved by more and better politics. we shall return to this theme in the final chapter, and we shall be return to this theme in the final chapter. I hope student you will understood it better. If you have don't understood any part, any sentence, please give your suggestions or give your problems. Tell your problems, we will solve it. Thank you.